The conflict between Palestine and Israel is a prolonged conflict that has been going on for the last 7 decades. After the First World War, Britain took control of the region known as Palestine after defeating the Ottoman Empire. The region is inhabited by a Jewish minority and an Arab majority, as well as other ethnic groups. Tensions between the two ethnies insert, and the international community gave Britain the task of establishing a national home for the Jews in Palestine. This description refers to the broader direction seen in 17 that a region has been hit by a series of armed conflicts, include several wars that determining the dynamic of Israel-Palestine relations. This conflict involves various spread include Hamas, a Palestinian militia group that is often inflict of Russian against Israel. Apart from that, several extreme groups claiming to represent Islam also use the name to instead of the terrorism.
Israeli aggression against Palestine has involved violation of the Code of Conduct, including the use of white-purpose bombs in the Gaza Strip in violation of the 1918 Geneva Conventions prohibiting their use in densely populated areas. More than 22,000 people have died in Israel's genocide in Palestine since October 2023. This conflict has broad and common impacts, and various parties continue to try to find a peace solution. There are several solutions proposed to end the conflict between Palestine and Israel. Here are some of them. 1. Peace negotiations. This solution involves direct negotiations between the Israel and Palestinian party reach an agreement regarding the status of the territory, people's rights, and security. These negotiations may involve international mediators such as the UN or neighboring countries. 2. Two-state solution. This concept proposes the creation of two separate states, namely Israel and Palestine, with internationally recognized borders. This solution requires agreement on borders, Jerusalem, and the rights of people in both countries.
Termination of development. Settlements. Israel has built settlements in the West Bank which is internationally recognized as Palestinian Territory. Hastings statement Constitution could reduce tension and create an environment more conducive to peace. International recognition. Several countries and international organizations have recognized the state of Palestine as a sovereign entity. This recognition could strengthen the Palestinian position in negotiation and speed up the peace progress. Role of local communities. Local communities in conflict areas can play an important role in promoting peace. Bottom-up initiatives such as cultural dialogue, and economic cooperation can help bridge trust and reduce tension.
3. Involvement of Muslims. Several extremist groups claiming to represent Islam also ask this conflict to foment acts of terrorism. However, this is a wrong idea and is detrimental to peace efforts and image of the Muslim community is a whole. This conflict recurrence a complex solution and commitment from all parties. Hopefully, we can see more peace future for Palestine and Israel. Although the Israel-Palestine conflict remains complicated and protected, several concrete efforts have been made to find a peaceful solution. 1. Negotiation and bargaining. Despite being stopped several times, negotiations between Israel and Palestine continue. Several countries and international organizations act as mediators in the process. 2. Economic and development cooperation. Several economic and development cooperation projects have been carried out in the West Bank and Gaza. This include investment in infrastructure, education, and training. 3. Support from the international community. Countries and international institutions continue to provide financial and humanitarian support to the Palestinian people. Involves medical assistance, education, and social welfare programs. However, the journey towards peace requires commitment from all parties and a willingness to overcome difference. Hopefully, we can see a better future for Palestine and Israel.
The Israel-Palestine conflict is a long-standing problem that has claimed victims and caused suffering for civilians on both sides. Terrorists in this region involves various groups and detrimental action, and the role of civil society and the international community is very important in finding feasible solution. Evidence of human rights violations and war crimes on November 29 last year, two Palestinian boys, Basil, 50 years, and Adam, 8 years, were killed by Israel army fire in the West Bank. Mobile phone and CCTV footage, as well as witness statements, show serious human rights violations. The UN Human Rights reporter called Adam's death a war crime. Damage to civil infrastructure, in addition to cause direct civilians casualties, explosive weapon with far-reaching power often damage or destroy civilian infrastructure, serve as bridges, water pipes, power plant, hospital, and school. Disruption due to basic service also have long-term impact on civilians.